Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me Effie, and today I am back again with another new remote opportunity for you. And today's job lead is brought to you by Indeed, and Career Matters need an admin stock marketing assistant. So please, before you just continue, if you're new to this channel, welcome, and please subscribe if you've not subscribed, and hit on the notification bell so that whenever I upload new remote opportunities, and in this case I upload new remote job leads every single day, you'll be among the first people to grab such opportunities. And also, if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for supporting your girl. So let's just jump right into today's video. So Career Matters need an admin assistant, and they're offering to pay €12 per hour, and it's a part-time permanent full-time it's a part-time permanent job type, and they need only one person for this role. So let me just take you through the job description, and it says okay, let me just scroll right to where it's so important. They're saying, okay, let us just uh, be patient. They're saying we're looking for someone with a real can-do attitude, someone with fantastic attention to detail, excellent organization skills, great writing skills, proactive, confident decision maker, someone who wishes to learn, great prioritization skills, and ability to work as part of a virtual team. So you can clearly see, guys, that this is a remote opportunity, and I really want one of us to grab this opportunity as soon as you finish watching this video. So I will just put the link in the description section towards this job so that you can apply right away. And all the best. Good luck.